everybody. How are you doing today? Good. You're tired. I'm tired too. I'm always tired after lunch, but we gotta wake up. We gotta have some fun today. Do you remember what we talked about last time? With a hint. Great job. All right. And can someone remind me what a job is? So do you know? Yeah, that's right. It's something that we do for money. Yeah. All right, so I'd like you all to take the textbook out and turn to page 14. We're going to review some of the vocabulary we learned last time. All right, so there's 4 boxes here and 4 words right here. So in this, what I want you to do is match the picture of the person to the name of the job that they have. So which one's a teacher? That one? What number is that? Yeah, number 2. So you're going to write 2 in the box next to teacher. So I want you to do that and do the same thing for sections B and C. And when you're all done, we're going to discuss as a class. And you put your pencils down so I know you're finished. All right, are we all done? Let's go over it then. So we already know that number 2 is teacher. What about doctor? Can someone tell me what doctor is? Minjun, do you know? Good, number 1. You see him in his white coat there. How about police officer? Number 3, yeah. And that means that number 4 is the pilot. Perfect. Do you know anyone with any of these jobs? Yeah, I'm a teacher. That was an easy question. All right. You guys are smart. Let's move on to places. The places these people work. Do you know which one's a hospital? Number 3. Kyung, what do you think? Number 1. Why do you say number 1? Because it says emergency? That's good. Does everyone know what emergency means? No, that's okay. It's kind of a hard one. It's when something bad happens and you need help. So if you're really sick or you're hurt, you go to the doctor because it's an emergency. So, oops, I gave away the answer to this one. Who works at a hospital? Right, a doctor. All right, now which one's the police station? Good. The police. How about the school? Juan, do you know? Yeah. Number 4, good job. And last but not least, the airport is number 3. So who works at a police station? Yeah, a police officer. Good. What about at a school? Yeah, a teacher like me. And on the airport? Good, a pilot. All right, you guys are on it. So now we're going to talk about what people do at these jobs. So which one shows someone flying a plane? Yeah, number 4. Flies planes. Who flies a plane? A pilot, yeah. All right. Who helps sick people? The doctor. And what number is it? 1. Good job. Teach a student. What number is it? Minso? What number is it? 2. Good job. Who teaches students? That's right, I do. Teacher. All right, and catches thieves. Yeah. Thieves is kind of a hard one to pronounce. You want to say that one time for me? Thieves? One more time. Thieves. Good, all right. So, now that we've reviewed, I'd like you to turn to page 16, and we're going to look at some sentences. Here we have questions and answers. So in this one right here, we want to figure out what question goes with the answer that they give us. So number 1 says, she's a vet. So which question, A or B, do you think goes with that? Minjun, do you know? That's right, it's B. what is her job? Do you know why? All right, because her and she both are talking about a woman. So I'd like you to go through and do A, B, and C again. And when you're done, put your pencils down and we'll talk about it. All right, is everybody finished? Good. So we already know the answer is number 1, which means that this one is A. What is he? Good. What is he? He's a scientist. So next time when you answer the question, I don't want you to just tell me the letter. I'd also like you to read the sentence so you get some practice, all right? So what about section B? What does a baker do? So yeah? Good. A, he bakes bread. Now what about number 2? What does a chef do? Go ahead. Good. B, a chef makes food in a restaurant. Now how about where people work? What's the question for number 1? It says, I work in a fire station. I'm a firefighter. Yeah? B, good. Where do you work? And how about number 2? A, where does the cashier work? She works in a supermarket. Very good, you guys. Now I'd like you to get your partner, and we're going to talk about what we want to be and where we want to work. That's pretty fun. You get to choose to do anything. So if I was going to do it, for example, I would say, I want to be a teacher. I want to work at a school in Korea. All right, so everyone talk for a few minutes, and we'll get back together. All right, what did everybody come up with? Subin, can you tell me what Jihoon wants to be? Can you say it in English, please? I don't understand. Does anyone know it? Astronaut. That's really cool. Does everyone know what an astronaut is? Where do they work? In the sky? Yeah, we say in space. Outer space. That's really neat. And remember, we want to say an astronaut because it starts with a vowel. Very good. All right, now I want you to look at the picture on page 18. And I want you to write down a few words, the things you think about when you look at the picture. And then I want you to answer these questions here. And then I'm going to have the group each answer a different question. All right? All right, so what did we think about when we saw this picture? Here are some words up. Hot, this is good. Looks hot. Red. Baker, yeah, that's what he is. That's his job. Very good. All righty. So, we answered the first question. What is his job? Group 1? Good, he's a baker. Where does he work? Group 2? At a bakery. What does he do? Group 3? Yeah, he bakes bread. Group 4, can you tell me what things do you see in the picture? Good, you see bread. What's this? Yeah, it's an oven. Good. And do you know what this is called? It's an oven mitt. That's so you don't burn your hands. Good. All right, and the last thing I want to do today is have you look at this chart here. See this yellow space right here? If you look at the yellow over here, you can see it says teachers 3%. So that means that 3% of students want to be teachers when they grow up. Not very many. It's pretty fun, you guys. All right, so I want you to stay with your partners and discuss what this chart means, and then answer these 2 questions here. All right, is everybody done? So which job is the most popular? Pilot, that's right, 36%. A lot of people want to be pilots. I think 12% flying around would be pretty awesome. What about the least popular? Scientists. Only 2%. Alright, well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for coming to class, and have a good weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye!